Hello, space enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking revelation from the cosmos, brought to us by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. This latest discovery has not only expanded our understanding of the universe, but has also left scientists absolutely astounded. So, buckle up as we explore the depths of space and uncover the secrets revealed by this incredible technology. It's teetering on the edge. It might explode any minute now. We don't have time to wait around. It could happen while we're on air, illuminating our sky like a second sun. The James Webb Telescope has just detected a startling 250% increase in the brightness of Betelgeuse, the iconic red star positioned at Orion's shoulder. This unusual behavior has triggered a wave of excitement over the possibility of witnessing a supernova, a celestial event of rare and spectacular beauty. Though the exact timing remains a mystery, some experts believe it could be imminent. Join us as we delve into the cosmos, seeking to demystify the enigmas of this astronomical titan. Betelgeuse, a name perhaps unfamiliar to some, has undoubtedly caught your eye before as a vibrant, reddish speck in the well-known Orion constellation. The sheer scale of Betelgeuse is awe-inspiring. Were it in the center of our solar system, its outer surface would stretch beyond the orbit of Jupiter. This massive star, so easily seen in the night sky, continues to captivate our imaginations. Unlike most stars, Betelgeuse visibly fluctuates over time, adding to its allure and mystery. Stay tuned as we explore what makes Betelgeuse not just another star, but a potential game-changer in our understanding of the universe. Positioned tantalizingly close to our galaxy, Betelgeuse, a semi-regular variable star, exhibits a fascinating pattern of fluctuating brightness, hinting at its impending grand finale, a supernova explosion. In recent years, Betelgeuse has captivated astronomers with its unexpected variations in luminosity. On May 20th, 2023, the star's intensity spiked, leaving scientists scratching their heads. Beetlebot, a Twitter account dedicated to monitoring Betelgeuse, reported a dramatic 142% increase in brightness, followed by an even more astonishing update of a 150% surge. Andrea Dupree, an astrophysicist at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, notes that Betelgeuse now stands as the seventh brightest star in the night sky, ascending 3 spots from its usual 10th. From the southern hemisphere, Betelgeuse commands the early evening sky, prominently visible at the shoulder of the Orion constellation. Dr. Sarah Webb, an astrophysicist from Swinburne University of Technology in Australia, underscores the significance of Betelgeuse's behavior. She explains that observing this star offers a rare glimpse into the final chapters of a massive star's life, providing critical insights into the behavior of red giants before their spectacular demise. When Betelgeuse finally goes supernova, it could light up the sky with astonishing brilliance, glowing so brightly for about a week that it might even cast shadows at night. This possibility has both amateur stargazers and professional astronomers on the edge of their seats, eagerly awaiting the spectacle. Heidi Morris, a scientist at Los Alamos National Laboratory and president of the Padaro Astronomers and Astronomy Club, points out that the fascination with Betelgeuse's luminosity is not new. It's a phenomenon that has been observed for centuries across various cultures. Currently, Betelgeuse's brightness cycle lasts around 130 days, a significant shift from its typical 400-day cycle. These rapid changes grant astronomers a rare opportunity to delve into this stellar phenomenon, offering insights into the final stages of a star's life cycle. The erratic behavior of Betelgeuse traces back to 2019, when it dramatically ejected a portion of its outer atmosphere. These fluctuations are unusual for Betelgeuse and have raised intriguing questions about the likelihood of it exploding into a supernova soon. According to a study by Dupree and colleagues from Harvard and the University of California, Berkeley, it might take another 5 to 10 years for Betelgeuse to resume its regular 400-day brightness cycle, following the event known as the Great Dimming. Since then, Betelgeuse has shown altered characteristics that continue to mystify and captivate the scientific community. Despite its erratic behavior in terms of light emissions and radial velocity, Betelgeuse remains a colossal red supergiant star on the brink of a rapid evolutionary climax. As it depletes its nuclear fuel, the core is poised to collapse under its immense mass, potentially sparking a supernova explosion that could outshine entire galaxies. The exact timing of this cataclysmic event remains elusive, underscoring the challenge of predicting supernova, as noted by Dr. Grower, an associate professor of astronomy at the University of Portsmouth. The complexity of stellar evolution and the scarcity of historical data make these predictions particularly challenging. Betelgeuse is currently navigating through successive stages of nuclear fusion, gradually transforming helium into carbon and subsequently heavier elements like oxygen, silicon, and iron within its core, a process that spans thousands of years. Ultimately, this sequence will culminate when the star can no longer sustain fusion reactions, leading to a gravitational collapse that might result in the formation of a black hole or neutron star. While some theorists speculate about an imminent explosion, historical records reveal that Betelgeuse has been gradually increasing in size over the past 2,000 years. This suggests that the star might still have some time before its spectacular finale, continuing to fascinate and mystify astronomers and stargazers alike. While NASA's projections suggest that Betelgeuse won't go supernova for another 100,000 years, reassuring us that we're unlikely to witness its explosive finale within our lifetimes, the star's erratic behavior continues to captivate the scientific community and fuel advancements in our understanding of stellar evolution. Dr. Sarah encourages us to embrace the realm of possibilities, highlighting that even though we may not see Betelgeuse's supernova, staying alert to its transformations could lead to groundbreaking scientific discoveries. It's fascinating to consider that our observations of Betelgeuse are like peering into a time capsule. The light reaching us today is over 600 years old. Theoretically, the star might have already exploded centuries ago, but the news hasn't reached us yet. While this is an intriguing thought, certainty remains elusive. Historically, our assumptions in astronomy have often been overturned. For instance, before 1987, it was widely believed that only red supergiants could undergo a supernova. However, that year, a giant blue star in a distant galaxy exploded, defying expectations and expanding our understanding of the cosmos. Betelgeuse's ongoing mystery reminds us of the limitless potential for new discoveries, urging us to keep an open mind and an eager eye on the stars. The astronomical community is constantly reminded that there's much to learn, and that surprises could be lurking around any cosmic corner. Observing Betelgeuse and other colossal stars not only deepens our understanding of stellar phenomena, but also keeps us riveted with their dynamic behavior. Despite the absence of a spectacular supernova, Betelgeuse's current activity is enthralling. Its pattern of dimming and flaring reveals intriguing aspects of stellar physics and reminds us of the remarkable fact that some stars pulsate on human timescales. Currently, Betelgeuse shines much brighter than its standard 400-day cycle would predict, sparking hopes among scientists that it might eventually stabilize. However, it appears to be struggling to find its rhythm. Recent data indicates that Betelgeuse may be approaching the later stages of its life, specifically nearing the end of the core carbon-burning phase, where carbon is transformed into heavier elements like oxygen and magnesium. If true, this could mean that a core collapse and subsequent supernova might be just a few decades away. Nonetheless, pinning down the precise stage of Betelgeuse's evolution remains a daunting challenge, fraught with uncertainties. While the prospect of witnessing Betelgeuse's grand finale within our lifetime remains uncertain, the carbon-burning phase alone can span 1,000 years. Our ongoing studies continue to peel back the layers of these celestial giants, offering a glimpse into the complex and fascinating life cycle of stars. The idea that Betelgeuse might explode imminently hasn't been officially published yet, but just imagining this possibility is thrilling. Such an event would be extraordinary, lighting up the daytime sky for weeks. When the moment comes, the first signs will be subtle but unmistakable. Neutrinos will sweep over Earth, and high-energy photons will escape from the expanding cloud of stellar debris. Betelgeuse will gradually brighten, potentially becoming 10,000 to 100,000 times more luminous within a week. This spectacle will astonish anyone lucky enough to witness it, marking a significant milestone in astronomical history. The remnants of Betelgeuse's explosion could shine as brightly as a quarter or half of a full moon, concentrated into a single point of light. Amazingly, this brightness would be visible during the day, casting dramatic shadows at night. Predictions suggest it could be 15 to 250 times brighter than Venus, the second brightest object in the night sky. The explosion's brilliance would linger in our view for around 100 days, captivating everyone who gazes up at the sky. This celestial event would be a rare and breathtaking experience, showcasing the incredible power and beauty of our universe. For astronomers, Betelgeuse's supernova would be a rare opportunity to observe a stellar explosion up close. Fortunately, Betelgeuse is far enough away that its explosion wouldn't pose any threat to humans. With binoculars and telescopes, we could safely observe this dramatic event for an extended period. Historically, supernovae were often seen as ominous signs, and Betelgeuse's demise could spark fascinating reactions worldwide. Astronomers believe that such a spectacular event could reignite widespread interest in astronomy, awakening curiosity on a global scale. Betelgeuse isn't the only red supergiant in our galaxy. Others, like Eta Carinae, could explode before it does. Statistically, the Milky Way should witness a supernova about every 50 years, yet we haven't seen one in the last 400 years. However, we have observed remnants of past explosions, suggesting we're overdue for an extraordinary cosmic event. It's only a matter of time before the next star puts on its dazzling show for the universe. Betelgeuse's history is rich with significant events, including the Great Dimming in the autumn of 2019, an unprecedented decrease in brightness that captivated astronomers and the public alike. This current behavior only adds to the anticipation and excitement surrounding this colossal star's future. The unexpected dimming of Betelgeuse puzzled astronomers and sparked speculation about a possible explosion. Though its brightness returned to normal by April 2020, the mystery behind the dimming persisted until further observations provided answers. Skywatchers can easily spot Betelgeuse from their backyards, contributing valuable observations to scientists. However, for a deeper understanding of the star and its significant changes, researchers rely on advanced observatories like Hubble. The curiosity surrounding Betelgeuse's dimming and its potential explosion has captured global attention, as it would be the closest supernova ever observed by humans, promising a spectacular astronomical event for generations. Unlike our Sun, Betelgeuse is a massive star with a much shorter lifespan. It is certain that Betelgeuse will eventually undergo a supernova, transforming into either a neutron star or a black hole, depending on the remaining material after the explosion. Many astrophysicists caution against immediately attributing Betelgeuse's dimming to an imminent supernova. They suggest more ordinary phenomena, such as convective currents within the star, could explain the changes. Despite this, the intrigue and anticipation surrounding Betelgeuse continue to captivate both scientists and the public, as we all await what might be one of the most spectacular cosmic events in human history. The mysterious dimming of Betelgeuse had astronomers scratching their heads, with some speculating about an impending supernova. However, a team led by astrophysicist Miguel Montargis from the Paris Observatory brought clarity to the phenomenon. Using the Very Large Telescope in Chile's Atacama Desert, they captured high-resolution images of Betelgeuse between January and December 2019 and January and March 2020. These images offered valuable insights into the cause of the dimming. The team concluded that the dimming was likely due to a combination of convective cell activity and the presence of a dust cloud. The detailed images revealed significant dimming in the lower left portion of Betelgeuse, which remained relatively unchanged throughout the observation period. This led to the conclusion that a cloud of dust, possibly originating from a massive eruption on Betelgeuse's surface, was responsible. This eruption expelled an unprecedented amount of mass, far exceeding the typical coronal mass ejections seen in stars like our Sun. Scientists believe the eruption might have been caused by a plume of gas bubbling up from within Betelgeuse, aided by its normal pulsation cycle. While the exact cause and mechanism are still not fully understood, Betelgeuse's recovery from the Great Dimming has been closely monitored. Further investigations and computer simulations continue to shed light on this fascinating event, keeping both scientists and the public eagerly watching the star for any new developments. Recent research has revealed that the decline in Betelgeuse's brightness was due to a cloud of dust partially blocking its southern region. Detailed images taken before and after the dimming, along with over 10,000 computer simulations, supported this conclusion. The team led by astrophysicist Miguel Montargis provided valuable insights into this mysterious event, showing that this scenario matched the available data best. Astrophysicists like Meredith Joyce from the Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore, Maryland, have expressed confidence in this explanation, emphasizing the importance of continued observation and analysis to understand the complexities of stellar phenomena. Typically, Betelgeuse is among the top 10 brightest stars in the night sky, with astronomers well aware of its periodic dimming every 425 days, during which it usually loses about a quarter of its maximum brightness temporarily. However, in 2019, astronomers were stunned to observe Betelgeuse's brightness dropping by an unprecedented 2/3, a change noticeable even to the naked eye. This great dimming was traced back to a significant event in 2019 when Betelgeuse experienced a major outburst, essentially blowing off a substantial portion of its visible surface. This event created a massive surface mass ejection, which is highly unusual for a star. The detailed observations and simulations by Montargis and his team have provided a clearer picture of the mysterious dimming of Betelgeuse. As scientists continue to monitor and analyze this colossal star, we gain a deeper understanding of the dramatic and fascinating processes at play in the universe. The dramatic dimming of Betelgeuse was primarily caused by a colossal ejection of gas and dust, roughly 400 billion times larger than a typical coronal mass ejection. This immense outburst disrupted Betelgeuse's internal forces, much like removing a chunk of material from a spinning object, leading to turbulent movements within the star. As Betelgeuse's core and stability are still recovering from this event, the star exhibits unusual behaviors, including interior bouncing or oscillations. These observations provide valuable insights into how red supergiants shed mass as they approach the end of their lives, potentially leading up to a supernova explosion. However, astrophysicist Andrea Dupree emphasizes that Betelgeuse's recent behavior doesn't necessarily signal an imminent supernova. She has been piecing together data from various sources, including NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and other observatories, to understand this unexpected disturbance in the aging star. The massive ejection from Betelgeuse's surface, witnessed for the first time, disrupted its usual 400-day pulsation cycle, highlighting the intensity of the explosion. While the outer layers appear to have returned to their typical state, the star's surface continues to fluctuate, keeping scientists and stargazers alike captivated by its ongoing saga. As Betelgeuse continues to recover and stabilize, these observations offer a fascinating glimpse into the life cycle of red supergiants and the dramatic processes that precede their final, explosive fate. The star's unpredictable behavior reminds us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe, providing endless opportunities for discovery and wonder. Welcome to Blasovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blasovia Science TV, You will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe. Live Q&A sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q&A sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos, and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blissovia Science TV member today, and together, we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching, subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comments.